Hi everyone, I'm Alice, your fellow learner, and welcome back to Korean Ladder.
안녕하세요. 저는 하나예요. In English, hello, I'm Hana, and I'm so glad you're here.
안녕하세요. 저는 준호입니다. Hello, I'm Junho, and today we fix one very sneaky word.
Okay, I have to confess something. In English, I say you about 100 times a day, so in Korean, I just kept saying 당신. Was that bad?
It's the most natural question, Alice. And the honest answer is, Korean usually avoids a direct you entirely.
Think of it this way. In Korean, pointing at someone with a bare you can feel like poking them. We prefer their name or their title.
Today's rung is address, how we point at the listener. We'll meet three you words, 그쪽, 본인, and 당신. Each one carries its own distance.
First, the safest of the three. 그쪽. Literally, it means that side or that direction.
It's clever, right? Instead of pointing at the person, you point at the space they're in. 그쪽, that side over there.
So a shopkeeper or a stranger might say, 그쪽은 어떻게 생각하세요? What do you think?
So, 그쪽은 the that side plus the topic particle. It's like saying as for that side.
완벽해요. But one gentle warning. 그쪽 is polite, yet a little cool. It says, we're not close. Between friends, it would sound distant.
Now the second word, 본인. This one means oneself, the person in question.
본인 lives in official places, forms, interviews, a bank, a hospital. It's formal and a bit impersonal.
A clerk might ask, 본인 확인 부탁드립니다. Please confirm your identity. Notice there's no warmth. It's procedure.
So I'd hear 본인 at a bank, not from a friend at a cafe. Got it.
정확해요. And now, the dangerous one, 당신.
Textbooks translate 당신 as you. And technically that's right. But in real life, it splits into three very different feelings.
Phase 1, sweet. Married couples use 당신 to each other, like dear or honey. 당신, 사랑해요.
Phase 2, poetic. In song lyrics and writing, 당신 means a distant, longed for you. Beautiful, but literary.
And phase 3, hostile. If you say 당신 to a stranger in an argument, it sounds cold and confrontational. It's the you people use right before a fight.
Wait, so the same word is honey to a spouse and buddy want to fight to a stranger? That's terrifying.
That is exactly why we teach it. Context decides everything. To a spouse, warm. To a stranger, a challenge.
So here's the golden rule. When you don't know someone, don't hunt for a you word at all. Use their name or title.
Let me show you what that sounds like. Instead of 당신, a Korean speaker reaches for a title. Listen to this exchange. 선생님, 이거 선생님 우산이에요?
아, 네, 제 거예요. 감사합니다. Did you hear it? 준효 said, 선생님 우산이에요. Is this teacher's umbrella? Instead of your umbrella. No 당신 anywhere.
And to a customer, a clerk says, 손님, guest. 손님, 이쪽으로 오세요. This way, please. Again, no you.
Okay, let me try one. If I want to catch a stranger's attention, I shouldn't say 당신, right, what do I say?
Perfect instinct. Say, 저기요? It literally means over there, and it's the polite excuse me. Try it after me. 저기요? 저기요!
저기요.
좋아요. One tip. Let the yo rise gently, like a small question. Not 저기요, flat, but 저기요, up at the end.
저기요? Like that?
완벽해요. That's a real Korean excuse me now. Nobody would ever bristle at that.
Now the mistake we hear most from English speakers. Let's catch it before it catches you.
A learner meets a new coworker and says, 당신은 어디에서 왔어요? Thinking, where are you from? But it lands cold, almost rude.
The fix, drop 당신. Use their name plus she. 민수 씨는 어디에서 왔어요? Warm, friendly, correct.
So the trick is I already know their name, so I just use it and skip you completely.
바로 그거예요. That's the whole secret of Korean address. Now let's test it.
Here's your quiz. You're at a bank counter, and the teller needs to verify who you are. Which you word fits?
Not 당신. That could sound hostile. 그쪽 feels too casual for a bank, so 본인 다, the official one?
정답이에요. It's 본인. The bank is an official setting, so the formal procedural word fits. 본인 확인이요.
Beautifully reasoned, Alice. You didn't just memorize. You matched the word to the setting. That's the real skill.
Let's lock in today's lesson. Junho and I will say each takeaway in Korean and English. This is the part to remember.
핵심 하나. 직접 당신을 피하고 이름이나 직함을 쓰세요. Avoid a direct you. Reach for a name or a title.
핵심 둘. 그쪽은 정중하지만 조금 차가워요. 그쪽 is polite, but it keeps a cool distance. Great for strangers, cold for friends.
핵심 셋. 본인은 공식적인 자리에서만. 본인 belongs to banks, forms, and interviews. Never a chat with friends.
핵심 넷. 당신은 부부에겐 다정하지만 낯선 사람에겐 싸움을 걸어요. 당신 is dear to a spouse, but fighting words to a stranger.
That really clicked for me. When in doubt, use a name, use a title, or just say 저기요, 쌤.
Here's your keeper sentence for today. The one to carry with you.
오늘은 이 한 문장만 기억하세요. Remember just this one sentence, and your Korean will already sound warmer and safer.
This is Alice, reminding you that every small rung counts. Thanks for climbing with us.
다음 시간에 또 만나요. See you on the next rung. 안녕히 계세요.
안녕히 계세요. Keep climbing. We'll see you next time on Korean Ladder.